What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of The Wheel Life. My name is John, and this is
Nikki,
my beautiful girlfriend. And on today's episode, we are going to... What are we going to do?
bake some cookies and decorate them.
Yes, we're going to bake some cookies and decorate them. So, without any further ado, first, we have to get into our baking gear. So, ready?
You ready?
Let's... We are in our baking gear, and we are ready to rock and
roll.
So, Nikki,
What
kind of cookies are we making today?
We're making, what are they called? The best rolled sugar cookies, and we're going to frost them.
Oh.
And we have some really fun shapes that we're going to do. So,
yeah, let's get to it. I don't know what I'm doing, so Nikki, you're really the boss of this video.
Okay. So, in large bowl, we cream together. That's not the large bowl we're creaming together. That was close, but that's not what
just crushed my dreams.
Okay. So, to cream together, I got my little apron on.
I got an apron, too.
He's got an apron on, too.
I'm
That's great.
Chef Boyardee.
Yes. And I am...
Chef Boyard woman. I don't know.
So, when you cream together things, you just put them in there.
Whoa.
And one thing that I was taught by my sister, who bakes a lot of things, is you use the butter wrapper. You just put it flat, so then when you need to put something on it, and you don't want to get it on your table, there you go.
Look at that. Dropping knowledge.
Nope, I'm not going to scoop it. You hold?
Hold on.
Oh, that's a... Oh. There we go. Are you done? Look at that skill. You got it. You got it all. All right, so we're done with that.
Boom!
That was
No, what was the guy that used to say that? No, he'd say Bam. What was his name?
Emerald.
Emerald.
Bam!
My grandma loved Emerald.
It's good enough.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Sure.
Nikki talked a big game about being like a cookie master. I don't know if I'm buying it.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I
John!
don't know if I'm buying this. I think
Oh, beating the eggs in
our KitchenAid is gonna blow up.
So now we're gonna, you wanna crack the eggs?
Oh no.
You sure?
I don't think that's a good idea. I did that in a previous video. It took me like 17 hours.
No lie.
That was like a beat you just made.
I know. That's how I do it.
Cooking with Nikki in my kitchen. Gonna make cookies.
That was skillful.
They're gonna be good. Gonna be good cookies.
Alright, now I need to watch. What are you doing? We need to use that. Flour is raw.
Our child.
His name is Gold Medal.
This is a gold medal baby. That's our child. And I'm proud of our gold medal baby.
Gold medal, not silver, not bronze, but
Gold.
alright. So when you measure out the flour, you just put the scoopy doopy in. We'll give it a break for a minute. It's getting tired.
This KitchenAid works about as well as my legs do.
It's spinning it.
Go!
Come on, you can do it. I can't breathe.
This thing's like stirring cement.
Oh no, it's like smoking.
Is it really?
I take it outside?
Don't take it outside. This is a mess. This is a mess.
I think it'll be delicious.
It'll be great, but the process has been rough.
Can you hold? I need 2 of those. And spread it out, don't just dump it. Okay. Perfect. This is so many cookies. What are we gonna do with these? Anybody want some cookies?
I don't know.
I don't think this is gonna work.
What do you mean?
I'm not usually like this when I cook, so disclaimer, I do cook very well. But
I'll buy that.
John! You've had my other cookies I've made. I've never made these cookies, but
Well, you make good cookies. I've never seen the process.
this isn't usually the process, John! Usually I don't have a smoking thing. Okay, so this looks like a disaster. I really know what I'm doing. I promise.
Your sister's gonna watch this and have a heart attack.
I know. I hate this.
I'm dying.
I know.
What is going on? Can I just say, I've watched people make cookies, and I have never in my entire life seen this process before.
I was trying to mix it.
What is going on?
I promise I'm a good cook.
I believe you. I've ate your cookies, but I've never just seen
This isn't the normal process. You want to try some? Try it. Is it good?
Alright guys, so we got the base done. What's it called?
The cookie dough.
The cookie dough done. So we're gonna let that chill for a while. And now we're gonna go to the next torturous segment, which I believe will be
Torturous?
the frosting.
I'm so nervous.
This did not go anywhere near as smooth as I had imagined. You know, I thought cooking cookies would be like a 20-minute thing.
No, we made homemade. That's why this was all my fault. All my fault.
No.
I decided they're gonna be delicious. I only eat quality things. So we're gonna cream together. Can you hold? Hang on.
Put it in my mouth.
Oh, hang
Do
on.
it. Put it in my mouth.
John, wait.
Put it in there.
Wait.
Maybe if you open the bag more than like a half.
No, you don't open it that much. So. This wasn't supposed to happen. It'll taste delicious.
All right. So we have officially made the frosting. Frosting is good. So now what are we gonna do to it now?
We're gonna dye it, color it.
We're gonna dye it.
Woo! Let's open these bad Larrys. This is food coloring.
Get some food coloring out.
We're gonna do, what colors? Blue. We'll do blue, purple. I have dinosaur cutouts, and then.
I have sloths.
Oh, your sloths. What colors did you show?
My sloth can be green. My sloth can be blue. My sloth can be any color it wants to be.
Okay. I have no idea how this is gonna work for mixing.
Put it in my mouth. How much do I put in?
I don't know. Just keep going until I tell you stop. I think I did already.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Good to go?
Yeah.
Fist bump?
I don't know.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so we got our frosting made, and now what are our next steps?
Oh, we have to bake the cookie. Oh, we need to preheat the oven.
Preheat the oven. I don't think our baking business is going to take off at all. But you know, life throws you some bumps sometimes, and you just gotta roll with it and have fun, right?
Get it? Because it's a rolling pin. Don't mess up my paper.
Sorry, I carried away.
So now,
So we're gonna roll this out, and then we're gonna do our cookie shapes, right?
yeah, you want to see our cookie shapes?
Yeah.
Oh, they're little. Why are they sticky?
It's okay.
No,
Show
that's
the cookie
me.
shapes.
Oh, so there's dinosaurs.
We got dinosaurs. Look at these dinosaurs.
Yep.
Nikki picked out the dinosaurs, didn't you, Nikki?
I did. I did pick out the dinosaurs. And then John picked out the sloths.
That's a sloth.
That's a sloth. This is a little sloth head.
Something fell down there, but we're good. That's a sloth head.
And then a leaf.
That's
but
a
we didn't
leaf.
want to do the leaf.
Yeah, the leaf's kind of silly. We do our shapes, right?
Yeah, we do the shape.
Nikki's slightly defeated today. You know.
So defeated.
She feels slightly. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Did wonderful.
Thanks. All right. So now we'll do as close to the edge as you can, so you get to do the honors.
Heavy metal cookie making.
Perfect.
Perfect.
I have no idea what's gonna happen with these.
They're gonna be beautiful, just like you, and they're gonna taste delicious.
Thanks.
Kind of. Nikki, come on. We got this. Don't give up. We got it, Nikki.
This is not how it's supposed to work.
It's working so good.
These aren't gonna come out like the shapes. It's not cold enough. I warmed it up.
They are gorgeous.
Oh, they're sticking. I
have a grand idea. Why don't we just ball them up and put them on the plate?
That's what I said. And you're like, no, let's do the shapes. There. That's a dinosaur.
That was a sloth, thank you.
It's a sloth. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh, the actual dinosaur. Wow, look at it. Wow. Wow.
Alright, so now we're going to put our glorious creations
in the oven.
We're going to freeze the rest of the dough because this was a complete and total and utter fun nightmare.
Nightmare?
A nightmare of love.
What are you doing? Get it out.
Cookie time!
What are you...
Alright, so we have baked our cookies.
Do you want to see them?
Of course
This is the sloth. This is the... What was that? I think that was a dinosaur. No, it wasn't.
But
that was a leaf.
She thinks it's a three-legged cat, though.
Yeah, it looks a lot like a three-legged cat. I don't know if you can see it.
And this one looks just like a squirrel that got hit by a car.
Or a gecko.
Or a gecko, that could work too.
This one looks kind of like a dinosaur. This one
looks like a cauliflower.
That looks like a cauliflower. It's supposed to be a sloth. But this one is a pretty good dinosaur. And these are...
If you hold this one up sideways, it looks like a chicken.
Is it too hard?
This is so hard!
It's frosting. It's refrigerated.
Oh no.
It's really...
Wow. This is like cement.
It's been a really long day. You're pushing it back in. Let me see.
You know what, guys? We tried our hardest in this video to bake some things, and it did not turn out well. There was laughs shared. There was almost tears shed.
Not almost.
There was yawns upon yawns. But we tried, didn't we, honey?
We did.
We gave it the good old 1-2 American try.
We did.
And sometimes that's all you can do in life. Is try your hardest. What kind of disease does this sloth have? Look at his skin.
That's sloth. I think it's a beautiful green dinosaur.
That is gorgeous.
You want to try a bite?
I do not think so.
Try a bite.
The cookie's good. Mm-hmm. The frosting's good. Not too bad. Well, thanks for tuning in to our video. I hope everyone is staying safe, keeping the faith, having a good time. We'll catch you again in another one sooner or later. Well,
And we won't be making cookies.
that we will not be doing.